When was the last time when you hear from Gracey? Bananas, when was the last time when you hear from Gracey? Make me call her. Hi, Madanas. Big up on a nice clean self. It's all about Gracey right now, coming to talk to her. So, Madanas, big up on a nice clean self. I just called Gracey a while ago and she don't answer. So let me see if she gonna call me back. Because she did work and yesterday she off. She not call. I know me notice with Gracey. If me not call her phone, she not call. These days, she busy. She very occupied. And she don't remember me. And me just feel like for cuss her. So, let's see. She gonna call me back. So, Unuh friend Gracey did I call me back. So, Unuh friend Gracey did I call me back and I never answer because the camera never set up. I want to not hear from her how long and I really want to know if you hear from her. So, I call her back.
I can't talk to you now.
So, what you answer for?
Because I just tell you I can't talk to you. So when me call you, you not pick up, so me on my way to work.
Oh my gosh. What you talk about?
I don't know what you're talking about either, so you hear what later. And I have no time for you.
So we are in the comment section and contact about your take back clothes about.
Me not take it back, me can't take back what I buy you for Christmas, that's all.
Cocoa go grow over your forehead.
Anything man grow, a time for something grow now.
Jaja. When me
Wednesday we are going spot where I go, right? This Wednesday now.
Wednesday coming. So we can even answer when we call you earlier.
Because apparently I was working.
So you did one yesterday.
I was at work.
You did one yesterday and you don't call.
You sure me home, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You don't go nowhere. You're not on the way to go.
Okay.
Nobody don't care about you.
It's okay. I care about myself. That's why I'm going to want to go.
So you can never call me.
Because I need to get my pussy beat up. That's why.
Why? Why? Lord Jesus, oi. Why?
It was crowd.
Lord, why?
You don't have to go like you every day and all. Oh, me I do this. Me not do. Me I get my pum pum iron out, straighten out nicely. What is the problem?
Why? Why? You're there. Oh, I can't believe somebody fear this, yeah.
And many more you have a year.
Why? You're there.
Many more you got a year, girl.
So one day yesterday you not call me?
One day my pum pum I go on with itself. One day I couldn't talk to a soul.
Papa Jesus. So you don't get me invited in that. So me don't know nothing about that. No, I mean,
you not share that way there?
not that way they me attack. Oh, you don't get me invited. No, I mean, no meaning like tell me what I go on. Oh, you not tell me no.
You not tell me, I tell you now.
Rasta Ja. So you greet me with it?
You know, you want coming on my business, so me I'll give it to you. You want to hear it, me see.
Why? You're there.
Boy, like Smaddy, I do something.
Yes, me shocked.
When I get beat up, you go like you. When I get beat up, you your pum pum get beat up, you
So what when me I said it, me I do the do, you say me nasty, you say me this, you say me that.
When me start to love the do, you know.
Why? You're there.
Start to love the do, you know.
Papa Jesus, I'm never afraid.
I'm never afraid, Donna. I'm never afraid is the right word. Yep.
Me shock out of my clothes.
Let's put on back your clothes and shock in it. You don't have to shock out it. Put it on back and shock in it.
Rasta Jah. Boy, I know me can't believe say that I get beat up. Them way there. You're not even not go nicely with it. You go aggressive.
I tell you now. All of my things I need a perfect little angel. I'm no perfect little angel and come on into my bedroom.
So what do you go along like when me I talk about you go along like say?
You talk about it too much, man. You sick me. You make me sick. You talk about it too much.
So now you get it, yeah. Now you get it, yeah, talk, yeah. You ain't not get nothing, so it's like
I have to talk my mind.
So now you get it, so you talk.
So I have to talk. Yeah.
Boy.
Yes,
Papa Jesus.
Papa Jesus is right.
Gracie, you are sore foot. You are sore foot. Me I tell you are real sore foot.
Tell me what you want here.
You tell me what they are, how me this and me that and me tara me not, and you come now. Confession is good for the soul. This is not a joke thing.
No, it's not.
Me know when you are joke about something.
Yeah.
Joke.
When Pum Pum get an ass whipping, it getting an ass whipping. I can't talk.
So that's why you don't call me yesterday.
So let me call you for again. What did I just say?
I sit down there and I say yesterday Wednesday, I Gracey off and not a phone call.
Because Pum Pum get ass whipping from Tuesday into Wednesday when they're ringing and all of that.
Oh damn.
It's hurting you right now.
That is it.
Well, I'm at work, so I'm not doing any gym right now. I had enough.
Oh, you have it for the whole month?
I had enough. No, not for the whole month.
What do you mean?
No, my dear, no.
So that means you're nasty now, because you're going to do it more now.
Yeah, as soon as I get a little break, I'm on it again.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yes, I come from a decade, so.
Here, there. Here, there. You shock out my backside. I don't even know. I don't have words. Not even words I don't have. I can't believe me ears. Gracey, you broke out. Broke out like.
I'm out, in.
You broke in.
I reach my job, my girl. So I'll speak with you later.
Adios.
Yes, ma'am. I'll speak with you later.
You know, hear what Gracey just said a while ago?
Who you talk to?
Hey.
Who you talk to?
You know, hear what Gracey just said a while ago? Gracey said she just get her Nash beat up yesterday. That's what she said.
Who you talk to?
Gracey said she have her Nash beat up yesterday. That's why she couldn't call me. Gracey, hey, me I go tell the people them that I go right on spotlight. A pink wall I go pick you up next. A pink wall I go pick you up next. You're too much. Oh, my pink wall I go next. Oh God, Papa Jesus, I can't bother with Gracey at all. What do you hear there? Oh Jesus, mercy me head. I can't believe what me I hear ya. You don't hear Gracey? Me tell you say thing Gracey I see to not always come in my inbox or come tell me about Dana, leave Gracey alone. Dana, are you always a jaw with Gracey? Thing Gracey I see. Hey! Whoa! Should have called me and me no answer. Cause me want to come set up the camera. Me call her, she never answer. And that is it. She greet me with it and she give it to me. Papa Jesus. What be I gonna do with Gracey? Would you please tell me what to do with her? No sir. Gracey said she get her puss beat. And beat bad. Yesterday so she couldn't call me. Me and her have a massage date. Because you know so maybe do the massage card for her Christmas. We wear our pajama last night for the first, wash it out and wear it for the first. And then me post the video with it and she tell me say how she go scare, she go come back and take it back. We wear it last night and she said she'll come back and take it back. And then now me and her have date next, I think it's next Wednesday. To go do the spa. So me and her are going to spa next Wednesday. That was our Christmas gift. So I get her body rub out, our whole iron body. She'll go hear this eventually. Get her iron body rub out. Why? Go rub it out. And now she'll go, when you rub out, and now she'll go, our rusty iron them, I go free up now so she can do right. She'll feel better in her body when she done. Papa Jesus, Gracey bad. I can't manage Gracey. Here, there. I gonna left for now. Still gonna clean my glasses. Later, guys. Later, me danas. Whoa, me danas. Whoa, me danas.